In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can crop a video in Canva. So I have this design. This is actually a template for a smartphone screen, and I want to put this video into the screen, but unfortunately this video is 16 by 9 while this is a smartphone with 9 by 16 resolution, so it's the opposite of the normal video resolution. So how do you actually deal with that? Well, one way is by cropping the picture or cropping the video in this case. So if you actually look at this video, you will see there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 points right here on each side, and it is can be used to crop the video. So for example, I'm going to put this woman into the frame of this phone. So I'm going to crop a little bit right here. I'll do the same for the other one, and I will also resize this content a little bit so it will fit nicely within this boundary, within this frame. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be just good enough. So as you can see, this woman is here, but of course I need to move. I want to make sure the woman is appear on the frame of this phone. So I'm going to double click and I'm going to slide this woman to the middle, and therefore she will be shown on the video. Okay, I'm going to click done, and one final touch is this. There is this rounded corner that we have on the phone, so we have to adapt that with this video as well. I'm going to click on the video and then click corner rounding, and I'm going to add some rounded corner for this video, and the result now is a lot better. So that was the first method that you can try to crop a video quickly. Another method is going to be a lot quicker, but it is based on a template. So it is based on the predetermined aspect ratio that we have in Canva. Okay, I'm going to delete this video, and let's say I want to try using let's use this video this time around. So I'm going to crop this into a square. One easy way to do that is by double clicking on the video like that, and it will open this crop menu, and you will see that there are some presets that you can apply to this video. So since I want to use a square dimension, I'm going to select this 1:1 aspect ratio, and I'm going to click done. And there you go. This is the result, and it is perfectly 1:1. You don't have to manually measure it because we are using a predetermined template. So anyway, that is how you can crop a video in Canva. I hope you find this tutorial to be helpful, and I'll see you on my next video.